Stay connected on your trips with Superhero eSIM. Let's walk through the process of activating your Superhero eSIM so you can enjoy seamless connectivity anywhere you go in 5 simple steps. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible, network unlocked, connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Let's dive into how to install an eSIM using a QR code. Step 1. Purchase a plan. Start by purchasing your eSIM on our website or app. Once you're done, open the Superhero app, go to My eSIMs. Tap Install Your eSIM button. Step 2. Save the QR code. You'll see a QR code on your screen. Save the QR code to your gallery by tapping Share Code or Screenshot and save it. Step 3. Go to Settings. Tap on Network and Internet. Tap on SIMs. Then tap Add SIM. A screen with Set up an eSIM button will show up. Tap Set up an eSIM. Wait a little for network info. Scan QR code from carrier option will show up. Tap on Scan from photo at the bottom of the screen. Select the eSIM QR code you saved from the Superhero eSIM app. Step 4. A setup window will appear. Tap Setup. Wait a little while. Your eSIM is ready to activate as soon as you land. If you are at your destination, continue with Step 5. If not, wait when you land and then go for Step 5. Tap Settings. Step 5. Now that you are arrived at the destination, tap eSIM with inactive status, toggle Use SIM. If your device is single SIM, it'll ask you to switch to eSIM. Tap Switch to eSIM. Once done, SIM name and color window will pop up. Change the SIM name to Superhero eSIM or Travel eSIM. Then turn on data roaming at the bottom. Superhero eSIMs comes with international roaming data, so you have to turn on roaming in order to use the data. Congratulations, start using your data with Superhero eSIM. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Superhero. Got questions? Just ask. Our customer support team is always available to help you make the most out of your trip. Get ready for your next adventure with Superhero eSIM. Stay connected and explore the world, hassle-free.